Time is 11:30. After visiting Edakal Caves, we are heading to Chingeri Rocks Adventure Tourism Spot. It is located 6 kilometers from Edakal Caves, 1 kilometer from Ambalavayil, 12 kilometers from Sultan Bathery and 22 kilometers from Kalpata town. Time is 12 noon. We parked the car and moving towards the entrance for taking the entrance pass. It is 80 rupees per head for trekking. I took 2 tickets for me and Subish. Because it is very hot, Chemmi and Nanda decided not to come with us. Best time to visit this place is morning and evening. This was not there in our list. Someone from Edakal Caves informed there is a beautiful adventure spot recently opened by tourism department near to Ambalavayil. Since we are here, we decided to climb up and capture some visuals regardless of the hot sun. This white flag is the indication of the trekking route. Now we are trekking Chingeri Rock. This is above 2000 meters sea level. We are half the way. It is too exhausting. Too difficult. But still continuing. On the way, we can see a very beautiful lake. It looks like a natural lake, but we cannot get into it as it is fenced. From here, we met few travelers from Kannur. They came to Wayanad for spending their holidays. They were planning to climb down from here and not to continue due to the hot sun. After seeing us, they also joined and we all continued trekking towards the top hills. The real trekking starts now. This is the final one. Need to climb this one as well. Let's start. Chingeri Rock would attract anyone who loves to conquer heights. This mountain takes you on a steep climb that offers surprise turns and slopes. Once you are on top of the mountain, you can enjoy the scenic sights of Karapura Reservoir, Kolagappara, Ambuguttimala, Edakil Caves and nearby areas. We reached on the top now, peak of the mountain now. Chingeri Rocks, trekking end. We spent some time here and climbing down now. After enjoying the scenic beauty of Wayanad in 360-degree view from the top of Chingeri Rock. We climbed down from the top. You can see the rock. We went there and coming back, going down now. See you there. It was really an interesting experience trekking during hot sun, but I never recommend trekking in afternoon. Those who are interested, please start early morning or evening time. From here, we are heading to our next destination. Wayanad is very famous for eucalyptus and grass oil, especially Ambala. In Ambala, we can see lots of eucalyptus oil extraction factories. Even we visited one during our Ambala trip. Fine Products is the name of this oil extraction unit. It is near to Chingeri Adventurous Spot. Mr. Suresh Babu, the owner of this factory, he showed and explained us the distillation process of eucalyptus oil and grass oil. Nearly 2 kgs of oil could be extracted from 200 kgs of eucalyptus leaves. It will take approximately 1.5 hours to complete a process of oil extraction from 200 kgs of leaves. The pure oil is very costly, and most of the products available in the market and the tourist places are adulterated ones. They cannot sell it for so much cheap rate, he added. If you want the pure eucalyptus oil or grass oil, you can drop a comment. I will send you the detail. From here, we are moving to our next destination. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.